In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your GMC K1500. These will be located on the windshield. Let's get started. Remove the white caps. We're going to leave this wiper nearby using a flat blade screwdriver. We're going to open up the door on the front of the wiper. Lift the wiper arm up. On this bottom side right here, there's going to be a small tab. We're going to push on that tab, pull this door up, and pull the wiper down. Do not let go of the wiper arm. If you let it snap back, it can crack your windshield. Install the new wiper. Push it up and into place. Give it a pull down. Make sure it's locked in. Gently return it to the windshield. Repeat the same process on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.